2, 1.
Action! Camera! Light action.
Welcome to Teacher Gamer. We're here to talk about games, of course. And we have some really special games that all can be gamified, or role-playing gamified is probably the better way to say it. We have the game here, Kitty Kitty. Who are your neighbors? You can just start the game out, especially as you're trying to explain the rules. Just find out as you hand out the cards. The cards are different places that people live, right? So as you hand them out their cards with their yards and their porches and their houses, they can even look at what they have as their home, and they can start to creatively decide who they are. They can have a name, they can have a profession, and they can talk about why they love cats, right? And right there, you can start to generate maybe a special voice that you have. Obviously, your character can have different ages, and you can have different ideas. And so then when you go to collect the cats onto your house, you know, you can do it in character instead of it just being about units, right? Because this is a game about cats and it should be fun. And that's one to share with the kids.